Hello my dear students, this is Pushpa Varatharajan. In this video, you are going to learn about rational numbers for class 8th. Already you have learned in 7th standard, that is a rational number is one which can be written in the form of P by Q. That means a rational number can be written, a rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. A rational number is one which can be written, a rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. That means all fractions are rational numbers, that is minus 2 by 3 is a rational number and 5 is a rational number. 5 is a rational number because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. Minus 7 is a rational number because minus 7 can be written in the form of P by Q, in the form of minus 7 by 1. 0 is a rational number. 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 1. That means all fractions are rational numbers because already it is there in the form of P by Q, and all the integers are rational numbers because all integers can be written in the form of P by Q. That is minus 8 can be written as minus 8 by 1. 10 can be written as 10 by 1. And these rational numbers can be represented on the number line. That is, there is a question from the textbook from exercise number 1.2, that is mark 7 by 4 on the number line. This is the question from the textbook. Mark 7 by 4 on the number line. Therefore, first you have to write 0, and this can be written as 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 is 1. And here 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4 and 8 by 4, like this it continues, and this point is 7 by 4. Since it is a rational number, we have to mark both the sides, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 4 is minus 1, and 6 by 4, minus 7 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and minus 7 by 4, and then here it continues minus 8 by 4 is minus 2. That means we have to show both the sides. Plus 7 by 4 towards your right side and minus 7 by 4 towards the left side. That means all the positive numbers or positive rational numbers are greater than 0, or negative numbers negative rational numbers are less than 0. And one more question from the textbook, that is minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6. And then you have to mark, draw a number line, and 0 is there in between. It is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, and 6 by 6 is plus 1, and 7 by 6, like this it continues. Minus 1 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, and here minus 5 by 6, and minus 6 by 6 is minus 1, and here you have to mark minus 5 by 6. This is plus by 6 plus 5 by 6, and here it is minus 5 by 6. Here all the positive numbers, that is positive rational numbers, towards the right side is greater than 0. All the negative rational numbers towards the left is less than 0. And the second question is, you have to find a few rational numbers which comes in between. That means here write the rational numbers which are smaller than 2. That is smaller than 2. We have to write the rational number. Write 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. This you can write directly. Write 5 rational numbers. 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. See, solution. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2 by 1. And if you multiply both the numerator and denominator by same number, that means 2 by 1 multiply 10 by 10, you will get minus 20 plus 20 by 10 plus 20 by 10, and they are asking you have to write 5 rational numbers. And here, since it is 20 and both are divisible by 10, this can be written as 2 tens are and 2 fives are. Therefore, the rational numbers less than minus 2 are 9 by 5 and that less than that. See, you can show it on the number line also, and this is 0 and this is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1, and then 6 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, and it is 10 by 5 is 2. All these rational numbers are smaller than 2. All these rational numbers are smaller than 2. What we did? 2 can be written as 2 by 1 and multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. I multiplied by 10, and if you want you can multiply by 5 also. 2 into 10 is 20 and 1 into 10 is 10. Therefore, this can be written as 10 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is 0 by 5. If you want you can write more also. It is 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. That means these many number of rational number. You can write any number since they have asked 5. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rational. Oh, they have asked only 5. Therefore, you can write only 5. And the next one is find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and half. Minus 2 by 5 and half. This also you can do it similarly, but multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. Write 10 rational numbers between 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Minus 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Now, first you write minus 2 by 5 and here you write 1 by 2. Here, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number to make the denominator same, or by finding the LCM. Now I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 by 2. 2 by 2. And here I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. You got minus 4 by 10 and minus 4 by 10, and here 5 by 10 plus 5 by 10. Here if you write, you don't get 10, you will get minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to get only 9 rational numbers if you write. Therefore, I will multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. You will get minus 40 by 10. Here it is 50 by 10. Now you can write any number of rational number between that. If you want only 5, you can multiply by 5 also. Therefore, the rational numbers which comes in between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are, it is minus 39 by 10, minus 38 by 10, minus 37 by 10, minus 36 by 10, minus 35 by 10, minus 34 by 10, and minus 33 by 10, minus 32 by 10, minus 31 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and minus 30 by 10. You can keep on writing till you get 49 by 10. More than, it is 100, it is 10 into 10 is 100, 10 into 10 is 100. Everywhere you have to write 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100 till 49 by 100. You can write many rational number if you use this method. If you want only 10, you can multiply by 6 only, or 5. Like that, if you multiply, you will get any number of rational number. Here the question is 5 rational number which are smaller than 2. 2 can be written as 2 by 1 and multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Therefore, you will get 20 by 10. That can be written as 20 by 10 can be written as 2 tens are and 2 fives are. See, it is 2 into 5 and it is 2 into 10 and 2 into 5. Therefore, it is 10 by 5. What is 10 by 5? It is 2. Therefore, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5 is 1, 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5 and 10 by 5. Similarly, there is one more question from the textbook, that is find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This also same way you can write, find 10 rational numbers. Find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. What is the first step? First, multiply, make the denominator same by finding the LCM, or by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. That means first you write 2 by 3 and then write 4 by 5. And what you have to do now? See, multiply, this is the denominator is 5 here, therefore multiply by 5 by 5. Here the denominator is 3, 3 by 3. It is 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. If you start finding the rational number between these two, what happens? You will get 10, after that 11 by 15, and then you will get only one rational numbers. Therefore, you multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. And if you want, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 also. Then also you will get that many rational number. Now you will get here 100 by 150. Here 120 by 150. In this, what happens? You can find any number of rational numbers. If you want only 3, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 4. If you want only 5, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Now, if you multiply by 10, you will get any number of rational numbers. The rational numbers which comes in between what it is, 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are. Here what has happened? 100 to 120. That means you can write 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150, 104 by 150, 105 by 120, 106 by 120, and like this if you write 107 by 120, 100 and then put some dots and you have to write, and then it will be 119 by 150. Like this, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. And then that already you got 10 and you can write that 8 more. Therefore, what you will do? First make the denominator same by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. Multiply numerator and denominator by same number so that you will make the denominator of both the rational numbers same. And then what you will do? Multiply by 10 by 10. See, if you multiply by 10 by 10, you will get more number of rational numbers. If you want only 5, you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. Now, one more sum. Find 5 rational numbers between -2 and -3. Find 5 rational number, but you can write any number of rational numbers. See here, it is find Okay, I'll write 10 rational numbers between -2 and -3. What you will do, -2 can be written as, -2 can be written as, -2 can be written as -2 by 1, and -3 can be written as -3 by 1, and multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now what happens? 10 twos are 20, and here minus 30 by 10. Minus 30 by 10. So you understood, -2 can be written as -2 by 1, and -3 can be written as -3 by 1. If you multiply -20 by 10 here. See here, if you start writing, you will get only 9 rational numbers. And if you want more, you can multiply that both with 2. Now we can write, okay, here we will write how many? 9 rational numbers now between -2 and 3. If you start doing it, you will get the rational numbers. The rational numbers which comes in between -2 and -3 are. -2 and -3 are, it is -21 by 10, -22 by 10, -23 by 10, -24 by 10, -25 by 10, -26 by 10, -27 by 10, -28 by 10, and -29 by 10. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You got only 9 now. If you want more, again you multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Then it will become -40 by 20. Here -60 by 20. See, by like this, by multiplying both numerator and denominator by the same number, what you will do? First you will make the like fraction. Like means, here you see, here it was, here the denominator there was 3, and here denominator was 5. What did you do to make this both the denominator same? You have learnt already while finding the fractions, or when you are writing the equivalent fraction. What you have done? You have multiplied both numerator and denominator by the same number. Now here I have multiplied, here 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Here it was 4 by 5 and multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. Now here you multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. If you multiply by 9 also, you will get 10 rational numbers, because multiplying by 10 will be easier to you. Therefore, I have multiplied by 10. You got 100 by 120, 150, and here 120 by 150. The rational number which comes in between are 101 by 150, 102 by 150, 103 by 150. Like that it continues till 119. Here you got about 19 rational numbers. That many are not required. And in this question, -2 you can written as -2 by 1, and here -3 can be written as -3 by 1. And then what happen? Multiply both numerator by denominator by 10. If you want, you can multiply by 20 also. And then what happens? You will get more number of rational number. If you multiply by 10, you have got here only 10. Therefore, you can multiply here 20 by 20, 20 by 20. You will get more rational numbers. In this video, you have learnt a rational number can be written in the form of P by Q, and where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. And all the fractions are rational numbers, all integers are rational numbers. And then you can that mark these rational numbers on the number line. and then you can find any number of rational number which comes in between. By first step, by making the denominator same, that is by making the like fraction and multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. And this is one method, and the other one more method is there in finding the rational numbers, required number of rational numbers which comes in between. That we are going to do in the first next video. And the one more concept is there, that is properties of rational numbers. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.